Hello, my name is Samar Diarti and
Hello, my name is Nabila Aulia Betis.
now we are discuss management is art or science. So let's go. Definition of management. Management is an effort carried out jointly to determine and achieve organizational goals by implementing the function of planning, organizing, implementation, and supervision. Management is an activical implementation. Manage and the person who did it is called manager. Management is needed at least to achieve the goal of maintaining a balance between conflicting goals and to achieve efficiency and effectiveness. Management consists of various elements. 1. Man. 2. Money. 3. Method. 4. Machine. 5. Material. And 6. Market.
POAC is a general management function and includes the entire managerial process. Planning determines the arrangement of steps regularly in order to achieve an organizational goal. Function set the direction of business goals and targets. Develop a strategy in achieving these goals and targets. Determine the required results. Setting standards of success in achieving business goals and targets. Organizing a regulatory activity in human resource and other physical resources that are owned by the company to be able to carry out predetermined plans and achieve the main goals of the company. Function can make it easy for managers to carry out supervision, determination of the personnel required to carry out the tasks that have been divided into. There is a clear division of duties, having a professional top manager to coordinate all activity. Actuating direction determine the needs of human resource and workforce development. Function to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of performance optimally, creating a dynamic and healthy work environment. Controlling, control or supervision, measuring implementation with objectivity, determining the cause of deviation its function, evaluating success in the process of achieving goals and target following the predetermined indicators, provide alternative solution to problems that occur in achieving the state goals.
Management as a science or art. Mary Parker Follett in the book James Management expert who support the definition that management is the art of achieving goals through the effort of the other people. This definition has become very popular and is widely followed by management practitioners. For those with this view, management appears to be closer to art than science. Art is meant here doesn't mean art and culture, but rather emphasizes feelings, intuition, and sensitivity. On the other hand, there is an opinion that management is a science. For more detail, we must first know the function of science. The function of science according to Suhardi Sigit is 1. To understand. The point is so that we can understand an event. And number 2, to explain. Meaning so that we can explain logically about event. And the number 3, to predict. So that we can predict an event in the future. And the next, to control, so that we can control if something actually happens. Number 5 is to goal, so what we can achieve the expect goals based on the foregoing. Management science teaches us so 1. Can understand about event is management. Can explain about management events. Number 2, can predict events that have not occurred in management. And number 3, can exercise control when something happens in management. And the last, number 4, can achieve success in achieving goals. From the above definition, management can be categorized as a science.
Function management company. Number 1, take the lead. A company manager acts as a leader so that company goals can be assigned. As for some of the duties of a manager in the company, namely, make decisions, communicating, give motivation, determine human resource to entertain divisions, human resource development through assessment of performance results by providing suggestions and promotions. Number 2, plan. Management within the company function as a planner for activities and activity such as what company members will do. The plan includes determine the type of activity, determine the timing of the activity, make a target or target of each activity, set a schedule, control costs so as not to over budget, create standard operating procedure for each activity. This function is very important because without good management, the company will find it difficult to move according to its objectivity. Number 3, composing. Company management can act as a regulator and listen between work division so that the implementation of its responsibility is more efficient and effective, such as create an organizational structure design, set the job description, delegating responsibility, define the relationship that differentiates between superior and staff, describe everything related to the use of human resource. Number 4, supervision. Every activity and responsibility of each division within the company needs to be supervised. For control it at any time there is a deviation from a division. The company manager is obligated to direct, provide advice, and determine what decisions should be taken in case of deviation. Supervision, control, and observation activity include job development, measurement of work result, taking corrective action and correcting error. Thank you for watching.